Hey guys, my name is Freedom. How to convert this hand sketch picture to become a 3D model, a 3D prop for your iClone 8 3D animation software. You can see this is the original picture by using the hand sketching and color pencil. This is just a picture. This is not even a photo shot. This is just a hand drawing picture. And how to just convert it to become a 3D prop for your iClone 8 by using the AI tools. I'm going to show you the real steps, workflows. It is really easy. Let's go. The first step, just go to my website freedom3d.art and scroll down until you see the SAM3D. This is an AI 3D tool, SAM3D, accessed through my website. And then next, just click login and log in with your Facebook or any of your email address. You can continue with Facebook or just use your mobile number or email address just to log in. This is powered by Meta. Alright, now I already logged in. This is the SAM3D. I already logged in. Then you need to make sure you already have a hand sketching picture. For example, this is a rose, hand sketching rose. This is a flower, a rose, a hand sketching with the color pencil that already color the rose with red color and all the leaf and stem already color with green color. So now I'm going to click upload. The picture is at here, the sample picture, a JPG file. I upload from my desktop. I double click, it is going to upload to SAM3D. And next, you have to click the area to select the area that you want the AI to generate the 3D model. You can see now I already clicked and selected it, already highlighted the area. Then I click generate 3D. It is going to generate the 3D model in just a few seconds. It's almost done. Now the next step, just click download as GLB file, download. Alright, now you can see it automatically downloaded into my download folder. I click here to show in folder. It is here. So I'm going to just right click to cut it and paste it on my desktop, Ctrl V. Now it already on my desktop. This is the GLB file. And we're back to the iClone. This is the iClone 8 3D animation software. It is not support the GLB file. We cannot direct drag and drop or import the GLB file into iClone. It is not supported. We need to convert it to become the FBX file first. So you can just use the Blender, download Blender 5.1 and make sure you already installed the Blender 5.1 in your computer. Next, I click the empty area in Blender 5.1. I press A and just press delete button to delete everything. Next, I'm going to drag and drop the GLB file into Blender. Click import. Now I turn on the material texture. You can see this rose 3D model ready in my Blender. I'm going to drag it up in this way. Alright. Next, I'm going to export as FBX. On my desktop, I click File, Export, FBX. Location, I choose desktop. The path mode, choose copy. And then I select the embed texture. This is to make sure this setting is to make sure all of the material texture were embedded inside the FBX file exported. The file name, I'm going to name this as Rose 01. I click export FBX. Now the FBX file already exported on my desktop. Then back to the iClone 8 3D animation software, I drag in the FBX file. It will automatically import it. I click convert all, but you can see the material texture is missing. But when you are importing the FBX file into iClone, it generates a folder .fbm folder. Actually, the material texture is inside the folder, the .fbm folder, the rows01.fbm folder. I open it. The image 0, without the extension, this is just a file. You need to rename it. Click and press F2 to rename it. Then add the extension .png. So now it already can open like just a piece of picture. Next, just drag the PNG into the iClone 8 3D model that you imported just now. It will automatically create the material texture. Now you can see you already have the material. Now done. You already have the material texture now. So you can just save it as a prop. Drag, go to the custom, click the prop, go into the prop folder, just click save as a new prop. The file name this as rows01, click OK. Now it's saved as a new prop. Whenever you want to use the prop, you can just drag and drop into your 3D scene in your iClone 8 3D animation software. It is really easy. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to convert any of your hand sketching, your hand drawing pictures with the color pencil already color. Then you can convert it to become a 3D model just by using the AI, by using the SAM3D that's powered by Meta. It is the AI 3D modeling tool that can convert any of your hand sketching pictures, the hand drawing pictures, to become a 3D model. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you